Hello there YouTube, and welcome back for another episode. We have a very special surprise here today. I received a package in the mail a couple days ago. I have not opened it yet because I wanted to do an extra video of the unboxing and actual installation of this product. And this comes to us all the way from BodyGuardz. BodyGuardz products. So go ahead, jump right in and open this bad boy up. So the first thing we have in the package is our BodyGuardz for the MacBook Air 2010-2012 Ultimate Device Protection. And this should be the full body. Yep, package includes application solution, squeegee card, microfiber instructions. And it looks like it is indeed the full body for the MacBook Air 13-inch. Alright, and I should have another product in here, which is the BodyGuardz for the Sony PS Vita screen guard. Actually, let's go ahead and open this box up, see what comes in it. Alright, so we have the infamous wet application solution. Actually, looks like it came with two. Awesome. And I don't know what this is. Alright, so this tells what came in it. Alright, so this is just what comes included. It looks like it's the top, back, wrist guards, along with the trackpad, and yeah, it looks like it comes with the sides as well. Alright, so that's what it comes with. Looks like a little microfiber cloth. Well, that's interesting. Little BodyGuardz stickers. Probably can't see it too well. And the squeegee card. Alright, so it looks like it comes with a few sheets. Alright, so there goes the wrist rests along with the trackpad and side protector. There goes the top. And here goes the bottom along with the sides. And the instructions, but you can watch many YouTube videos on how to apply this. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Get this applied onto my 13-inch MacBook Air. This is the new late 2012 edition. And as soon as I get this applied, let it dry for a few hours. We'll come back and I'll let you know how it went and also how it feels. Alright guys, so I'll let you know exactly how long it's been as well for time. Alright guys, so we'll do a little time jump. Okay everyone, so I just installed the BodyGuard and I have to wait a few hours though for it to dry. I'm showing you basically what the wet spots look like, or the bubbles. Hopefully according to the instructions they're supposed to disappear after 24 hours. But I wanted to give you guys just a heads up on what they look like before they disappear, so when you guys do your own installation you guys know what to expect. So those are the bubbles. We'll see if they go away after 24 hours. I also installed on the inside, as you can see there. Inside not as many bubbles. Alright guys, so we'll come back shortly. Welcome back YouTube, and we did a little bit of time traveling. It's already been about 9 days since its installation, and the reason I waited this long was because the bubbles just were not going away initially the day after. I took some previous pictures, you've probably already seen them. And I wanted to give it a fair trial, see if the bubbles did in fact go away, which it looks like they did. I mean, there's maybe like 1 or 2 left, as you can see there. That dark spot there in the corner is 1 bubble. And let me see, is there another one here? Yep. And 1 right there. And that's all really I see left, considering what it looked like 8 days ago. A real big improvement. I'm pretty comfortable knowing that all the bubbles will disappear in the next week or so. So there we go. So here's a close-up. You can see exactly how precise this cut up is. I mean, there you go. It literally hugs the line. Bring it out there. You can't even really see where it ends. I mean, right there, right there. So sharp. Alright, and here we have the actual wrist rest installed along with the sides. There you go. I mean, this stuff is so precise, it fit in perfectly. And I actually even have the trackpad protection installed as well, which I usually don't install the trackpad because it gives you that slick plasticky feel, but I found that these BodyGuardz actually gives it a not too bad of a feel. I mean, you could tell it's not glass, but it's still pretty smooth and pretty precise. I've had no issues. Like I said, I've had this on for over a week already, and I absolutely have no issues. I mean, you can see the mouse there on the screen. No issues at all as far as responsiveness with this trackpad and the installation of the BodyGuardz on the trackpad. I mean, you can see how precise it is. I mean, it's beautiful. It's great. And here we have the installation on the bottom. As far as the bottom, I mean, this stuff stretches a little bit. So you could probably see that it doesn't line perfectly with the legs, but that's probably my fault for not stretching it correctly. But as far as the edges, I mean, it's great. I mean, definitely does not touch the legs anywhere. You have the cutouts for the screws, so if you want to do any updates to your MacBooks down the road, you still may. And actually the bottom was the easiest to install. There's actually no air bubbles at all at this point on the bottom, so I'm very happy with that. And we'll get a close-up so you can actually see how precise they are on the legs. Alright, so there we go, got a close-up there of the leg. I mean, you could see how it's not perfect, but like I said, that's more my fault for not stretching it correctly. And when it dries, it sort of shrinks a little bit when it loses its moisture, so I don't think you could ever get that perfectly centered. I mean, we'll see the screw right here. You're still able to remove the screw, but as you can see, it's not perfectly centered, but as far as the sides are, you could see, I mean, you could barely see that edge. That's a little bit more centered right there. And here we have installation on the side, basically just a triangle. You see the cutout for the speaker. There's the cutout. And we have the little corner cutout. Same on the other side as well. Well, there you have it, YouTube, the installation of BodyGuardz, the full body kit for the 13-inch MacBook Air, late 2012 edition. I would actually recommend this, thumbs up, for anybody looking for some minimal protection as far as just scratches. Obviously, this will not give any impact protection. But as far as protection for scratches and scuffs, I think it definitely suits the purpose. I love carrying this with just the BodyGuardz, and for travel I'll use my little cover here, just a zipper cover, just to throw it in my backpack to offer a little more protection during travel, and then I'll take it out for usage with just the BodyGuardz on it. No need for a case. Well guys, hopefully this presentation was useful to you and it helped you in your decision to either purchase this and install it on your device. And until next time, take care. Bye-bye.